Hadin at voicem jong jingplu no jong yeng do bar tho ain ka jala ba met ba ling do ba de lampang ka yeng do bar tho ain ka jala Meghalaya assembly ha ka shitarik bunai rampang la pyndep ba ka jingtei ya ka yeng assembly ba thymmai on pyndep no haubna Jylliew mentaus nem arjar arwan habai kremat kilat thai kubor ba ling do uloong bola penlong ya ka jingyalang bat phaidien ka bastani ba ha ka bai dei ba ka jingsna ya ka assembly ba thymmai mensem tayo.
Last week we had a detailed review, and I would like to inform you that by end of June everything will be completed. Testing and commissioning is 1 month time, say entire month of July, which I see by end of July we can start, we expect all these things. Hopefully this time this COVID again should not hamper, though to some extent it has been delayed again. We have to review and fixing the date of completion of different items of works in the new assembly building. But I hope and pray that these COVID again should not hamper the ongoing construction of the building.